I mentioned in my last video that on the 5th of every month for the last 9 months, Bitcoin has dumped about 3%. Well, that's actually what's happened again. And people will say, oh, it's because Michael Saylor just sold a bunch of Bitcoin, or oh, it's because of that. Actually, it's just cycles. It's just what markets do, guys. And when you know how to trade, these markets, you can do incredibly well going both long and short. Here are some of the long and short trades that I have going. Hopefully you guys can see that with the glare. These are some of the long and short trades that I have going in the market, that we have going here at the Crypto Code. If you want to learn how to do that, if you want to learn how to trade the markets, both long and short, stick around, watch this video. And then I'm also going to talk about the price of Bitcoin and kind of what we're looking at and what potential levels we could be hitting. This is going to be a good one, guys. I'm going to jump in the charts as well. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, it's Joel with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing well. Just got back from a morning walk. Bitcoin has been doing Bitcoin things. We're currently at 61,920. We're bouncing around, and it's been a great day for trading. You know, when you trade crypto, you want to trade with a very specific plan. Number one, you want to know your entry price. Where am I going to enter the trade? Number two, you need to know where am I going to exit the trade if the trade goes against me. That's called your stop loss. And number three, you want to know where am I going to exit if the price goes for me. Just like on this trade right here, that where I have locked in, well, substantial amount of profit. I do think this one has the potential of hitting possibly about 21K in profit. We'll see if it plays out. But I've got short trades as well. Here is my long trade in play. I've already locked in over 8,000 profit in this one. This could have potential to go even more. Here's another Bitcoin long trade where I've locked in about over 8K as well. And then I've got an ETH short trade that's playing out now. Hey, I want to break in here for a second to tell you something kind of funny. Yesterday in the video, I posted a video clip of us on 4th of July. The fireworks are banned here in Utah. And so we just got a bunch of neighbors and we had a fun time. We put our Teslas out there and we did a light show. Well, that post went viral on Instagram. It's had about 240,000 views. But the funny thing about it is all the comments are like super negative. People love to hate. People love to be negative about things in life. And I thought I would relate this to kind of crypto as well. By the way, I'll put the link down in the description, like I said, so you guys can check out the viral link. But people love to hate on pretty much anything in life. And this is kind of like crypto right now, where people love to hate on crypto. People love to say it's going down forever, it's a scam. And let me tell you what, these are the times when you look for the buying opportunities. These are the times when we get to buy cheaper Bitcoin. Now, I'm not saying like right now. You might want to buy some right now, but then in the long term, there are specific areas to dollar cost average. So you want to look when the sentiment is down. You want to look where you have the confluence in the chart. And actually what we do in the Crypto Code is we look for our TCC Cycle Pro indicator. When we flip green, that's when we get in. Okay, so that's for another topic. Okay, back to the video. Okay, let's just jump in and look at a few charts, and we'll kind of look at the big picture of Bitcoin, and we'll look at a couple altcoins as well. So here we are with Bitcoin, 62,371. This is the TCC Cycle Pro indicator. And if this is new to you, what this basically is, this is how we learn when to buy Bitcoin and when to sell Bitcoin. This is how we got into Bitcoin at 15.5 back in the day, back into here at about 17,000, and how we were able to sell and exit out of the markets when we flipped red at the cycle at about 113,000, between 113 to 120,000. So here we are in the cycle, and we're only just a little bit over mid-cycle. We're more likely than not looking between September to January 2027 to hit our bottom ranges here in Bitcoin. So yes, I know a lot of people think the bottom is right now, and historically, even in these areas right here, dollar cost averaging in these areas historically over time, over the next 3 years, has been beneficial, but we can go much, much lower. And I think the probabilities of us going lower are great. So again, there are 3 ways to make money in crypto. Number 1 is cycle trading that you see right here. Number 1 is taking swing trades like we do in the crypto code with our trade plans, and the other is using automated bots. If you want to learn that, head over to the description. We'll teach you how to do all that. But I want to show you specifically with Bitcoin. I'm going to zoom this in a little bit and just kind of show you where we're at. This is the 200 moving average. Usually any price below here historically has been a good price for Bitcoin. But here's the deal. We hit this demand zone in here at 50, what do we hit? 57,735 approximately. And now we've bounced up from here, and now we're testing around this area. Now we could just go sideways here for a little bit, or we could head back down, test this demand zone, which is more likely than not. Probably going to test the demand zone a few more times. And if we break down below, we're going to head down to 53, down to 52. And if we break that demand zone, then we're going to get down into the 50K range. And then who knows, again, crypto goes in waves, so it's going to cycle through here, through these waves. More likely than not, it's going to get down into this area, down in here, 42,000, 37,000, maybe even 28,000 as we get into this area. I don't know if it's going to get that far down. Who knows? We won't know till we get there. But I want to show you on the flip side, play the cycles out, and we're looking at about conservatively about 161,000 Bitcoin, 221, and maybe even higher, 265 up to 385 for this next cycle. So this is cycle trading, guys. If you want to do shorter term trading like what we do here at the Crypto Code, like what I have going on right here where we're taking both longs and shorts in the markets, we do that as well. And we do that with very specific trade plans that we call out. For example, here's a trade plan right here on Link. This is a Link scalp trade. That one is playing out right here. You can see it hit the blended entry right in here. And then we always have the entry, the exit, that's the stop loss, and then the take profits. And that's how you make money in crypto, going both long and short and playing it for the long run. If you guys want to learn how to do that, head over to the description of this video. Also, we take trades when a coin flips green. Actually, let me do an example of one here really quick. We have a dashboard that comes here, and I can show you, for example, Jupiter, JUP, that flipped green 11 days ago. Now, just because you're seeing it flip green, guys, does not mean that you should get into Jupiter. All right, I'm just gonna take a look at this one. I actually even looked at it. I think I looked at it yesterday. Let's do Jupiter USDT, and let's go on Binance. Take a look. So Jupiter flipped green 10 days ago, and you can see that Jupiter has already gone up from here. Yeah, we're up about 10% since it flipped green. Now, remember, it's going to cycle down. Who knows? Jupiter could play out. You can see on previous cycles when Jupiter has flipped green, you can see some of the increases there. This is the same thing with Hype. I'll show you guys Hype. Has just played out beautifully. It just keeps going up. It's the gift that keeps giving. When we flip green, we get into Hype. We've already done 136% from here. Congratulations if you guys are getting into Hype. That's what we do here at the Crypto Code. This is how we get into these markets. So that's the second way of that's cycle trading. And then, like I said, we have the regular trading, the trade plans that we call. All right, real quick, I just want to look at a couple more charts on Bitcoin. So this is the weekly chart of Bitcoin, and this is an important thing. Yesterday, our green dot was starting to print here, meaning that this is a bullish divergence. If this continues to print on the week, we still have 6 days and 9 hours, it's very possible that if we keep going up here, we're going to print a bullish divergence, which means in the month of July, we could go up higher. We're kind of at this point right now. We could go up higher, we could go down. We're at this kind of this really crucial level. So it could go either way. I'm not going to say it's going to go one way or another. However, I do think that we are going to chop sideways. And even if we print a bullish divergence on the weekly, that's not to say that it still can't come down even lower before heading up higher. Let's go ahead and take a look at a 4-hour chart as well. 4-hour chart, we dipped way down here, and you can see that we're fighting there. The momentum is here. More likely than not, we're going to cycle back down in here and come down a little bit lower today. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do come down and visit this 60K region, 60,185 over the next couple days here. And then we could even go down and test this golden pocket at 58,293. Those are kind of the areas that I'm looking at if I wanted to take some long swing trades. All right, that's a little bit about the markets. Let me know if you guys want to see some coins or tokens that you guys want me to talk about down in the comments below. I read every single one. Okay, let's jump back out of the charts. Bloop. Okay, just so in general, the way to make money in crypto is by going both long and short at different key levels, just like we do here at the Crypto Code. Now, price can move fast, price can ricochet up and down. I just got stopped out of my ETH trade, but because I had my specific plan in place, I made a cool, 138 bucks on ETH. Okay, so we just looked at those charts. We talked about where the potentials are, where we're going. Make sure that you're always doing that. You know the answer to the 3 questions. Number 1, where's my entry? Where's my stop loss? And where am I going to exit and take profits if the price goes for me or against me? If you know the answer to those 3 questions, you're golden. And that's how you trade properly, because most people don't know the answer to those questions. They're just gambling. Okay, alrighty guys. This is Joel with the Crypto Code. You guys are awesome and amazing. As always, take massive action. Anything you do, we'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye-bye. Hey, if you liked that video, there's another one right here. You can click on it and learn more about what we do. Also, you can go down in the description of this video, get a free risk calculator. You can check out our workshop. You can check out all the resources here at the Crypto Code. If you want content that's going to teach you how to finally be profitable in crypto, trading, investing, hit the like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and we'll see you guys in the video. And if you have questions, comment down below. We answer every single one. Take care, guys.